Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at a Toyota Yaris LE with the convenience package. This is a 5-passenger hatchback in classic silver, and under the hood you'll find a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder driving on 15-inch wheels. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button as well as our panic button. Press that unlock button once for the driver's side. We're going to take a look in the front first. On the bottom we have some storage space. Above that, you'll find your power windows and locks. Next to the door, you will find your power mirrors. Equipped with all-weather mats, gray and black cloth seating, and on the bottom, you'll find your manual seating adjustment handles. On the left side of the steering wheel, you have your volume buttons and your arrows, which help you navigate through the entertainment screen. On the right side, you have your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system, and right behind the wheel, you will find your cruise control. Moving onto our screen, right now we are on audio sources. You can see you have your standard AM and FM options. You also have a choice between CD, USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth. This Yaris does have a backup camera as well. Moving down to our climate control system, nice and simple. You got these nice smooth turning dials. Of course, for your function, intensity, and your temperature. Of course, you got this nice little AC button in the center as well. Down below, you'll find your USB and auxiliary ports as well as your 12-volt outlet. Here you have some cup holders as well as some storage compartments. And right behind the shifter, you will find your driver and passenger heated seats. And before we move to the cargo, let's take a quick look in the back. Continuing with the all-weather mats. If we take a look inside behind the front passenger seat, we do have a nice little pocket for some extra storage. And these seats do fold down. All we got to do is pull this up, giving you access to your cargo. To open up, all we got to do is press this button right underneath the Toyota emblem. There's plenty of cargo space in the back of this hatchback. Of course, we have this nice little convenient cargo cover. Like I mentioned, the rear seats do fold down in case you need that extra bit of room. And if we look underneath here, you will find your spare tire and the tools to change that in case that ever goes out on you. To close up, we got this handle right up here. Just give this a gentle push. Taking a last look at our Toyota Yaris here. Once again, some of those great interior features include your backup camera, Bluetooth compatibility, heated seats, and hands-free calling. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test ride. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk-around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.